Welcome back. Right now I'm going to a trip on a plane for the first time. So I'm going to record myself at the airport.
Yeah, boy.
And at the start, like when you get into the plane. And then when I land and stuff. So I'll see you guys on the drive there. This is a small clip of the drive all the way over to the airport. We have just landed. Well, we just got here.
Hello, hello YouTube.
And then there's my grandpa. And right now we're just going to get our ticket to go onto the plane. So I'll see you on the plane. We just went through all the scanning and check our bags. And right now we're just going to get on the plane. So...
a mountain.
So before we depart, please pay attention to this important safety message. Be sure that all carry-items are securely stowed in an overhead bin and place smaller items, including handbags, under the seat in front of you. If you lose your electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear.
As you leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the
Feels
belt.
weird.
Adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. And even if the sign is off, please
Can I have your attention, please?
Right now we just landed after 3 flights.
Yeah, boy. This is easy.
My second flight got delayed because something was wrong with the. I don't really know what's wrong, but it just got delayed. And so right now we literally just landed a couple of minutes ago. So now we're just waiting. Okay, me and my family landed a week ago, exactly a week ago, because today is Monday, and we just been hanging out with our cousins and stuff. There's nothing to really post, I guess, right now, but we might do a skit, I guess. And, and then right now this is going to be the last clip of this video, but we might do a skit. And we might do other things in the future. So, see you next time.